If you're installing a swamp cooler in your window for the first time, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. If you enjoy helpful DIY tutorials like this, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Before you begin, unpack your swamp cooler and place all of the included installation parts where they're easy to reach. Take a moment to organize the brackets, screws, weather stripping, and basic tools. This helps you avoid searching for parts once installation begins. Measure your window carefully to make sure the swamp cooler fits the opening before lifting it into place. Accurate measurements can save time and prevent unnecessary adjustments. Raise the window completely and wipe away any dust or debris from the window sill. A clean surface helps the cooler sit more securely. Apply the weather stripping along the window sill where the cooler will rest. This helps reduce small air gaps after installation. Carefully lift the swamp cooler into the window opening while keeping it level. Slowly lower the window until it rests firmly against the top of the cooler. Make sure the unit stays centered as you adjust it. Extend the adjustable side panels until they cover the open spaces on both sides of the window. This improves efficiency and helps keep outdoor air from entering. Secure the mounting brackets according to the included hardware so the cooler remains stable during normal operation. Double-check that each screw is tightened properly. Gently test the cooler by pushing it lightly from different angles. It should remain steady without excessive movement. Fill the water reservoir with clean, fresh water until it reaches the recommended level for your model. Avoid overfilling the tank. Check that the cooling pads are installed correctly and have enough moisture before turning on the cooling function. Proper pad placement improves cooling performance. Connect the power cord to a suitable wall outlet and make sure the cable is routed safely away from walkways. Turn on the swamp cooler and choose the cooling mode that best fits your room. You should begin feeling cool airflow within a short time. Stand in front of the airflow to confirm the fan is blowing evenly and that the cooler is operating normally without unusual noises. For the best cooling performance, leave another window slightly open so fresh air can circulate through the room. This is an important part of how evaporative coolers work. Inspect the edges around the cooler one last time and make small adjustments if you notice any gaps where outside air could enter. Now your swamp cooler is installed and ready to help keep your room more comfortable during warm weather. Regular cleaning and fresh water will help maintain good performance. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you install your window swamp cooler with confidence. Be sure to subscribe for more easy home improvement and DIY guides.